In this video, I show you how to fix Google Meet could not connect you to the video call problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store, check Google Meet update, search Google Meet, click on it, update Google Meet app if available any update version, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Meet, click on Meet, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open Meet app. Now join your call. Now I hope that this method fix could not connect you to the call problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.